Left, left, left. JP left. He's down there somewhere. You hear him? Left. Again. Yeah. Good job.
What?
Where are they?
I don't know. I don't see him.
There's one guy down here by the bush, two guys over here.
I'm gonna go there.
One guy walking back.
Alright, go.
Yeah, in the bushes? Yeah, I'll take the light. Yeah. Flip on him.
You see him?
He's around here somewhere. There he is.
Look at that, scared me. They're pushing up the hill. We could go down. There's two walking back. I don't see any coming this way. What?
Right there.
Yeah, that guy. May as well move on him. Our guys are moving up a little bit.
There's something over there. I just heard it.
Oops, sorry. Who's that?
Down there.
Okay. Okay, there's one over there on the hill. Did you light him up? What?
I think that's dead, man.
Yeah, it looks like it. He has a drag in his hand. Okay. Guys. Megan. On me. Come here. What? What'd you say? Good job. He's behind that tree right there. There is two.
Is it?
Yeah. Guys are not gonna hit. Come on.
Come on, it's right here. I'm halfway up the hill.
You don't see him? No. Matthew, come here.
Oh.
Matthew, you see him? Yeah, I know. Stay looking to the left too. They should be coming back here. Oh. You get hit?
Yeah.
My hip and my back and everything.
Yeah? I got hit on my leg.
Did it hurt?
No.
My butt hurt.